YouTube? It's Motionless here. It's been a while since I made a video on this channel. The Integra actually does look a bit different since the last time I've showed it. I'm going to be showing you guys like the new setup and talking about that in a bit. But as of right now, I do need to do stuff to the Integra. It does have a flex pipe, and the flex pipe is like damaged, really damaged. So I kind of need to replace it. So this is the flex pipe I'm going to be putting on the car. I did cut a bit over here because it kind of needed this material for something else. That's why it's shorter on this side, longer on this side. But yeah, this is going to be the new guy. Let's see if we can focus. But yeah, basically the flex pipe that I do have right now, the bottom of it is, there's a huge hole, and it's what's causing the open header noise or sound, open header sound, and I really dislike that. So I'm just going to be trying to replace the whole flex pipe. Let's show you guys the car right now. Okay, so here's how the front is looking. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then we just got these LS mesh wheels, the stocks in the rear. So I am trying like a drift stance on this car. Like as you can see, not a whole lot of camera in the rear. So if you don't want to know these wheels, these are XXRs, 527s, matte black. I went with these wheels because I wanted to do a concave look again, and I wanted to do 16s, and these were like the best option, and the cheapest, and they look good in my opinion. Yeah, they're XXRs, but at the same time, they look pretty nice in my opinion. The tire is a 195/40 16 tire. I went with the 40 sidewall because of the stretch. I like the stretch on the 40 sidewall more than the 45. These are 16 by 8.25, and with a 45 sidewall, like the stretch won't be as nice, obviously. So 40 sidewall is like the best option. You can go 165 45s for a nice stretch, but I can't really find those, so I just went with these. Here's how it looks up front. Let's put that ISO down a little bit. So yeah, looking good. Drift spec stance going on. Kind of like it, but I do want to match the rear. But honestly, it's looking pretty darn good. See how there's like not that much camera in the rear. There's still a little bit, like -4, but way more up front. If we can just focus up there, probably not. But let's get to getting this car jacked up. Well, this flex pipe onto the exhaust so it doesn't sound like it's open header anymore. got this thing up in the air. So I am going to be disconnecting that C-clamp or that Vband clamp right there. Just to make this a lot easier for me so that I don't have to remove this whole header, and that'll be a pain in the ass to put back on. So just gonna disconnect that. As you can see right there, that is gonna need to be replaced because that is tore up right there. Disconnected from there. O2 sensor right there. Some other stuff. I just basically cut that off and reweld the new one on, put it all back together, and we would be done. Just got done with that. You can see the difference here. All the fumes are coming right out from here. And here's a new one, of course. It's gonna be really easy. I'm not too sure if I want to TIG weld it or just MIG weld it. Getting right into that right now. Done. Fix this part up. No more holes. Got this part done. I'm not gonna really show you guys me putting it on because I don't think that would be very entertaining to watch, but
2,000 years later.
Alright, you guys, everything is officially back on the car. Unfortunately, it did take a long time to fit it back on the exhaust because the front pipe that connects to the header wasn't exactly fitting on right, so I had to adjust it by cutting some more and welding some more, and that took quite some time, but we got it on. It sounds way better than before. I do have the wheels coming in for the rear, I think today or tomorrow, I'm not sure yet. I just wanted to pretty much check this drift stance look out, and it was nice, but I do kind of want all fours on. Looks really nice with that lip, but bro, does it just freaking pick up everything on the road. Literally picks up every single chunk of rock. Just lifts it up. Look at that stance. Look at that stance, bro. Native 14 or 13 up front, and like native 5 in rear. That's pretty much gonna sum this video up. My next upload is probably going to be, I don't know, when the car has all four wheels on, and we'll see from there. Really love how the front looks, bro. It looks so good. Yeah, we're gonna have to match for the rear for sure. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, guys, see you in the next one. Peace.